welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So the wives were asked if there's anything that they want to address from the past season, and Makhumalo started by saying that she would like the issue about her coming to live in Mzumbe engalojoliwe while she's still a girlfriend engalojoliwe, and then she said that because she was there when Mayeni got married, and Umseleko actually confirmed that when Makhumalo came to live in Mzumbe, Lobala was already paid for her, and that actually Makhumalo is the one who built Mayeni's house. What a shock. So Musa is actually confirming that Makhumalo came before Umayeni. But then Umayeni seems to have a different version of these events, because she says that when she came to Mzumbe, Thobile was to just come and go because there was no one in Mzumbe, so they would ask her to come look after the kids. So she was actually there working as a nanny because Olwandle and the other kids were used to coming during school holidays, so there was no one to look after them. So Makhumalo would come to look after the kids. And then also Makhumalo was in Tombazane Sasontweni Shai Scoop in Musa's church, and she keeps on referring to her as Leangane, as in like that child. And then Umseleko is like, that's not true. Makhumalo did not work for us like Kaya. She was never here as a nanny. She came here to live here when she was already a girlfriend. But Mayeni seems to have a different version. Delusional. Anyway, kuningi. And then uMangwabe naye, she addressed the issue of ukuthi Umseleko is actually the one that is turning them against each other, because uthatha indaba zokwaMayeni azise kwaMacele, zokwaMacele azise kwaMangwabe, zomangwabe azise kwaMakhumalo. So he's the one that's running his own thing. And then also when she had her miscarriages, Musa did not support her, but Musa seems to think that he was supporting her. And then Musa makes her feel like she's less of a woman, or always makes her feel bad for not having sons. And Makhumalo was like, I feel bad for how Musa is making Mangwabe feel, because she does not even have a single child, whether a daughter or a son, but Musa does not make her feel that way. And then Mangwabe also mentioned the issue of kids, with her kid that she got out before she met Musa does not even come to the Mseleko household, and she's okay with that. They made that decision at her home. And then Musa wathi, yeah, vele that's good, because uthatha umfazi bese kufunza ingane yakhe omthole anayo. Wow. So vele Musa was not willing to have Mangwabe's house in the Mseleko household, because that child is not a Mseleko. And then uMacele addressed the issue ukuthi everything has changed in their marriage after their 20th anniversary, after she refused to go to Makhumalo's umembeso, the gifting ceremony, just because she had told Musa ukuthi after the 20th anniversary, and she won't be attending any ceremonies of that involves her wives. But Musa, on that same year that it was their wedding 20-year wedding anniversary, Musa also did umembeso kaMakhumalo, and it seemed like he is prioritizing umembeso over their 20-year anniversary celebration. So that did not sit well with her. That's why she refused to attend. And then Umseleko goes to the wives, all of them, from Umacele, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makhumalo, inviting them to dinner. They're all suspicious because they know him. It is never just dinner. There's always meetings. So they're wondering, manje. And then she says to uMangwabe ukuthi ngicela ungangilahli, because he's still worried that Mangwabe might leave because of wife number 5. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.